University is expensive. Textbooks, events, parties, conferences, they all cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Now, especially when you're still a student, you're going to have to find ways to make some additional income, especially when you're still in university, in order to fund your way through school, whether it's a part-time job or starting a business. Now, on top of learning how to make more money, you also have to learn how to save those hard-earned dollars. So today I will be sharing with you the 3 tips that I personally used to save money while I was still in university. Number 1, use budgeting apps. There's a great app out there called Mint. It's something that I personally use and it helps you to track exactly what you're spending on. You're also able to set budgets for yourself for different things that you spend on. For example, set budgets for how much you pay for utilities, or how much you spend on food or coffee or events and things like that. Because as students, a lot of times we lose track of what we're actually spending on. So an app like this will really help you to see, what money is coming in as well as how your money is going out. And when you know this, you're able to better reassess the different things that you're spending on, and it will really help you to manage your money better. Trust me, this app has helped me to save a lot of money, and it's helped me to become a better spender and a better consumer. Number 2, now the next thing that I personally do to save money when I was still in university, when money was really tight, and obviously you're in university is a chapter of your life that where you have the most fun. After speaking to a lot of mentors and a lot of older people, they all tell me the same things, that university and their experience in university is one of the best times of their lives. So you have to make the most out of it. So obviously you'll be going to parties, you'll be going to events and things like that, and you should, but you need to know how to spend your money. For example, right, if you go to a nightclub or a party, a lot of times when you're intoxicated or when you're having a good time, money is not an issue. No, I don't know about you, but back then when I was younger, every single time I went out, and it was like a positive correlation, right? The more intoxicated I got, the more money I would spend, right? And I'll wake up the next day and check my wallet and realize that I bombed over $100 at the club. This is not smart, right? It might be fun, you might look cool in front of your friends and people you buy drinks for, but at the end of the day, that $100 spent is not worth it. So one thing that I personally do when I go out, and I still go out, is that budget before you even start your night, right? Budget how much you're planning to spend at night. For example, if I'm only planning to spend $20 that night, I'm only bringing $20, right? No more, no less. And a lot of times I bring it as cash, and I'll prevent myself from using that debit card or that credit card, right? So make sure you budget exactly how much you're planning to spend before a night out. Last but not least, and honestly this is one of the most important and one of the best money saving tips out there, especially when you're still a student, is something that I still do today, is cooking. No, honestly, I don't know about you, but I love food, and I'm always trying to taste new food and go to new restaurants and things like that. You spend a lot of money eating out. When you go out to a restaurant, you're at least spending $15 to $20, maybe even $30 a meal. Please cook, right? It's something that you get to eat healthier, you get to control what you put in your food, you gain a new life skill, and you're able to save a ton of money, I guarantee it. So there you have it. These are the 3 tips on how to save money while you're still in university. And these are tips that will carry on beyond your university years, and they're things that I still use today. I still cook a lot, even more than before. I still use these apps, and I'm still budgeting every time I go out. So if this video helped you, make sure you drop us a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.